So before we get to your earnings, tell the viewers a little bit about the company so they have a good idea of what it is Velo3D really is.
Yeah, so we are, hi, good to be here. We are a 3D printing company, is industrial 3D company. We make equipment that allows our customer to make parts for mission critical applications. One of our customers is SpaceX, and we are making a lot of parts, or they are making a lot of parts using the machines and the manufacturing solution that they acquired from us to their rockets that they are making.
That's pretty unbelievable as we talk about what's going on into the future, into outer space and more, and that's what your focus is at this point. Tell us about the last quarter, where you're seeing growth opportunities going forward as well.
Yeah, so when I mention mission critical applications, in addition to space, and we have a really good business in space, we also do a lot of work in aviation, both commercial and defense, as well as energy, oil and gas. We have seen a lot of need from the oil and gas industry in the last 2 years around disruptions of supply chain and the ability for the industry to become much more agile and much more responsive to changes in the market. So a lot of traction there as well.
Your revenue number was a nice beat there, earnings per share, obviously that 74-cent loss there in earnings per share. How are you growing revenue? Obviously you talked about opportunities in oil and gas, aviation, exploring, you know, there must be more to this manufacturing story. The supply demand obviously has been out of whack, right? Is that a good way to say it, right? With supply chain issues, it feels that our economy has been stalled in certain places. How are you stepping in to help drive growth too?
Yeah, so a lot of kind of the infrastructure industries behind our economy have a very long response time with parts that take quarters to supply. One of the nice things about 3D printing is the ability to deliver those parts in weeks instead of quarters, making everything much more responsive, allowing much more flexibility and ability to adjust as things are changing quickly. This has been a big driver for our customers to adopt our technology. We are in a very fast growth right now, and next year will be massive growth for us compared to this year. And one of the things that has been nice this last quarter is this quarter and the next quarter are bridges between what we have done last year and what we're planning to do next year, which is almost 4 times increase in revenue year over year. So as we have kept the backlog growing this quarter, we increased our confidence in this massive explosive growth coming next year.
Massive explosive growth, 4 times the amount of growth. Kathy Wood, obviously a very popular investment manager, has been investing in the company as well. So she obviously sees opportunity there. I don't know if you know her personally, but obviously she's put a lot of names on the map that maybe some people didn't know as well. That being said, it's amazing that you see so much growth. Tell me a little bit more about the aviation part of this. Is that the area where you really are excited about? I'm sure you're excited about all parts of it, but what is it about the aviation part? It's commercial and defense, right?
Yeah, so 3D printing gives people in the aviation industry the ability to design much higher performance engines, much higher performance aircraft. And when we talk about higher performance, we talk about engines that are more efficient, that have longer cycles between maintenance, more reliable, and less drag. So the whole aircraft is basically operating much more efficiently, much more economically, and with a much less environmental footprint. This is the driver behind the development of new aircraft and new engines these days. And 3D printing really can enable customers and designers in this aviation space to make much higher performance next generation platforms, as well as improved aircraft and engines of existing generations. So improving the existing generations and coming with new products altogether. And we see a lot of our customers taking advantage of our technology to move much quicker than otherwise they could, and much deeper in terms of innovation. And this is really the big name of the game in our business, enabling customers to innovate faster and deeper.
So incredibly fascinating with this 3D printing and using it in so many key areas of growth. It is so nice to see you, Benny Buller. Thank you. Nice to have you on the show, CEO of Velo3D. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be here.